DJ Smokey. Check this out. DJ.
Hello, how are you? Well, it's so typical of me to talk about myself. I'm sorry. I hope that you well. And did you ever make it out of that time when nothing ever happened? It's no secret that the both of us running out of time.
Hello from the other side. I must have called 1,000 times to tell you sorry for everything that I've done, but when I call you, never seem to be home. Hello from the other side. At least I can say that I'm trying to tell you sorry for breaking your heart, but it don't matter. Clearly, to tell you apart.
And I tell you about it. No, I'm so sorry, baby. Oh, girl. And I tell you about it. What about my mistake? Rosie and Conqueror, I tell them again.
DJ Smokey.